How to log out from Telegram on PC. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Telegram on PC. Click on three lines at the top left corner of your screen. Click on Settings. In Settings, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on three dots at the top right corner of your screen beside X. Then click on Logout, which is the last option, and you will be logged out from your account on your PC. After that, if you need to log in, you can simply log in by adding your number. And this is how to log out from Telegram on PC. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest the topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.